Today we are making Rachel Roddy's Gnocchi alla Sorrentina. I loved gnocchi growing up, and I believe it's the ultimate comfort food, but I've never actually made it, so Italian family watching, I hope I did this justice. Gnocchi are a type of dumpling in Italian cuisine, typically made with potatoes, flour, egg, and salt, and then boiled in salted water. Each bite is made with lots of love. I learned while making this recipe that sometimes this dish is called gnocchi filanti alla sorrentina. Filanti means stringy, referring to the way the mozzarella melts into long strings and pulls into a game of cat's cradle as you eat, which is an alluring reminder to eat it while the gnocchi is still hot. I hope you try this out. Buon appetito.